Good afternoon, everyone. All members present here, listen carefully. Today, I am going to take a training, in-house training on the topic, very special topic. It is faced by most of the people in India, all over the world. In key message, I will also show 65% of Indians faces this problem and how to take out from these problems we will see in this in-house training through some short videos. There are so many lots of small videos, short videos, as well as many stories, activities and PPTs. So one by one I will start. So the topic is stress management. Management means to get rid of. Stress means everyone know the anxiety, the tension. Sometimes we don't want to take tensions, we don't want to be stressed. But it mentally, it comes automatically in our mind. Sometimes we don't want to take tensions from anything for anything. We cannot say it is for us. It also comes in every age, but it has different times. Sometimes people do not bear it. They suicide, they takes many attempts through the stress, and the main reason is they want more than the expectation. They don't know, they forget what is the capacity of them, and they take so many expectations. So the stresses, and in stresses, the main reason of stress is adrenaline glands. In science, we study in our body there is an adrenaline gland which produces itself when we come in stress. Like many times, like suddenly we are walking on the road, some street dogs barks, automatically we have our adrenaline glands active and it releases some hormones and we come in flight mode, fight or flight. We want to be normalize ourselves, but we do not normalize. We are not able to normalize that. So what are the stress at different ages? If you are talking about stress at the junior ages, means childhood. Many times we have seen in our locality, at our home, what happens when we give our child, any child, to so many playing items, small items, and that time they are so happy. They feel very good. They show so many happiness. We also become happy to see them. But what happens in the neighbor, in his friends? What happens? If he or she see that he has or another person, another child have more bigger, more larger, or more good playing items. What happens? They become in stress. They become in stress. So what they do? They start stopping. They start fighting quarreling with the parents, with their brothers, sisters, whatever the guardians are. So they start fighting. They for cycle also means as the ages grow, they start taking stress in different times. Like playing items they start, and as they enter in the adult age, this time they show so many stresses they take. For like bike, mobiles, so many gadgets. Some students, some adult age, in their age, proper age, they are stressed for their result. But very few students take stress for the result, for their positive things. Most of the people starts accepting more than the exceptions, their expectations. So this is very bad for the, and it starts causing stress in our body, which it makes our adrenaline glands active. If we are talking about the stress management, we will discuss in in education. In education, we also take so many stresses. Parents, school management, teachers, students, all are in stress for their betterment, for their result, for good result. They want anyhow, they want to make more and more results of their students. So they also make the students in pressure also, percentage, high percentage, they excuses, they ask for the high percentage. So good results, they also pressurize, they make students in stress also. If we are talking about the after education, so after education, what type of stress is for their job? Sometimes people get the jobs according to their level, according to their knowledge, but they are not satisfied. Why? They do not get proper salaries. They do not fulfill their desires, what they think at the adult age. And sometimes they get the job, but due to not being a good job, what they get a target. They get a target, like sales manager and many people, they get targets. And for achieving that target, they feel totally stressed themselves. Every time, from morning to evening, every time, they do not spend time with their families proper. They have no any happiness. As the month ends, again they start for the next target, next month targets. So there are lots of problems of stress. After marriages also there are so many stresses. After marriage they have stress for the fulfilling the demands of the families and to manage the parents with the wives, husbands. So this is also very big stress. And after being the parents of a child, at that conditions there are so many lots of stress regarding the fulfilling the now the more increased demands for them. So as well as the parents, families, as well there is lots of problem for the education of child. So these are the causes at different ages. Finally, we can say the people stay in stress whole life. Means so they should know, everyone should know how to reduce their stress. So there is so many topics, there are so many apps through which we can reduce our stress. So there is so many yoga, exercise. Some people want to free from stress in playing games. At the adult age, at the very old age also, they want to play with their groups. They want to talk female persons. They want to talk. They want to make jokes with each other. So anyhow, they want to free from stresses. So there is so many videos in our PPT. So one by one we will show. In this video, it is shown that what are the effects and symptoms of stress. How can we identify the stress and its effect? So look at this.
We usually make a distinction between acute stress, chronic stress, and stress leading to burnout. Acute stress is the instinctive reaction to an impulse or trigger. For instance, when you're startled, or you have exam stress, or there's an imminent deadline, a near accident, or when you're winning a game. Now this is the most common form of stress. It's perfectly normal, and it will go away as soon as its cause disappears. Chronic stress is caused by resistance, by not accepting events that go on in your life. Even when there is no specific trigger, it will continue to bother you. It's a typical human phenomenon, often about matters that you cannot do anything about, for instance, fretting or being nervous for a presentation that is due 3 months from now. General anxiety, fear of failure, clashing with the corporate culture, the general economic crisis, a general feeling of insecurity, chronic illness, and so on. Burnout is the result of a longer period of energy loss due to chronic stress and is often characterized by exhaustion and reduced flexibility. But stress is not always bad news. Positive stress, or task tension if you will help you lift your performance to a higher level. You will need that form of stress to stand out from what is average, for instance, when delivering a presentation. However, trying to stand out permanently and always being on top of things is exhausting, to be avoided at all cost. Stress. What does it do to my body? Initially, our brain does not make the difference between a potential and a real threat. Everything you identify as fear causes the same physical reaction. A small portion of our brain, known as the amygdala, rapidly produces two stress hormones, adrenaline and cortisol. Both are vital to boost our performance and to master the situation. In fact, your body is preparing itself to face two primitive reflexes: the fight or flight reflex. Picture this. You're hiking in the mountains with your family, and as you walk by one of those typical farmhouses, all of a sudden, out of nowhere, a big barking dog comes running towards you. You can do two things: run away from the dog, or try to chase it away by shouting, stamping your feet, and frantically waving your arms. To do all of this, your hands and feet need extra energy. That's where these stress hormones come in. They take over and eliminate a number of bodily functions. Your digestive system will come to a halt, which explains why you stop eating when stressed. Your breathing becomes faster and less deep. Your body temperature rises from the energy boost, which makes you sweat, lose sleep, and sweat when stress is chronic. These physical reactions linger, which is harmful for your body, and will eventually cause permanent damage.
Now, what we have learned, we have seen in this video the stresses and the harmful effects of stresses. So, what is the importance of stress management? Why should we stress management? So, stress is something that everyone experiences. We experiences in our day-to-day life. Everyone experiences. So, learning how to cope with it and its effect, that everyone needs to master for their own physical and psychological well-being. Those who don't learn and use appropriate stress management techniques can experience a variety of negative effects. There are some good effects also, but we should control them, including physical illness, psychological illness, damaged personal relationship, poor productivity, and mood, and many more. So, related to this, I am going to show you one more video, reactions to stress.
Kids and adults can have different reactions to stress. Today, we wanted to talk about some of the unique ways that kids of different ages might react to stress and some things we can do to help.
In young children, you might see them get more clingy, be hesitant to go places, or have bad dreams and nightmares. You might also see them acting out more and having tantrums.
In school-aged kids, you might see them act more withdrawn, be hesitant to talk about things, and say they're scared of things that they didn't used to be scared of. They can also have sleep problems, not want to sleep on their own, or start having some nightmares.
Teens often become more more withdrawn, socially isolate themselves, and may be more irritable. They may be less likely to want to talk about what's going on, or may only want to talk about it with a few people they trust. Don't be offended if these are friends instead of family members.
Here are some ways that you can help support your kids. It's important to talk to kids and teens about the stressor going on at an age-appropriate level they can understand. Having something explained by someone they trust can help them to feel more confident and more secure about their own understanding of what's going on. After this, make sure to give them a chance to ask you questions. Also, check in periodically with how they're feeling and worries they might be having. Listening is more important than talking to them at this point. And be sure to validate their feelings. Let them know it's okay to feel worried, scared, or even sad.
Provide reassurance that you will be there for them, that they don't have to do this on their own. Also, as it makes sense, try to continue or restart normal routines, since having a sense of normalcy can help you get through a difficult time. Just keep in mind that they may need a little bit more time and support with usual tasks.
Also keep in mind that it may be time to seek help from a mental health professional if your child is starting to show signs of a more severe stress reaction. These signs might include new nighttime wedding in a child who was previously dry through the night, being very afraid to do things that they would normally be able to do, or starting to have thoughts of death or suicide.
Parents who would like to talk to a mental health professional can contact the Behavioral Health Psychology Department at Children's Hospital New Orleans. Families can also talk to your child's pediatrician for a list of providers who they usually work with.
And remember, if you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out.
Now, we have seen the reaction of stress, what can be the reaction of stress. So, through this video, we will not understand it properly. So, I have planned to show you one activity, and that activity is very, very interesting for everyone because it So in this activity, we have shown the problems of a family. So one family, in short, if I would explain, a family was well satisfied and good going on, but due to show off and due to comparison, a family got stressed in their life. And finally, they got in so many stress and caused so many problems in their family. So, for this activity, I would like to invite Rajkumar sir, Rishabh ma'am, and Bhupen. So, sit nicely.
Yes?
Coming.
Oh, hi, रेशम.
Hi, hello. How are you?
Very fine. और रेशम बताओ, तुम तो एकदम बदल गई हो.
हाँ.
पर्सनालिटी.
No. I'm just casual.
ओके, तुम्हारा घर नहीं
Come,
आओगे क्या?
come. It's my home.
वाह, बहुत ही आपने बनाया. Very good, very beautiful.
Please, have a seat. Would you like coffee?
Yes, I want to coffee. But रेशम, what a personality. तुम्हारी पर्सनालिटी बहुत ही अच्छी है. अच्छी लग रही हो तुम. घर भी तुमने बहुत सुंदर बनाया है. क्या बात है?
It is just normal, yeah. I wish I could.
बट आई थिंक तुम्हें एक तुम्हारी पर्सनालिटी के अनुसार तुम्हें एक नई कार लेनी चाहिए।
Actually, we have already a Alto K10.
नहीं यार, एक हुंडई की कार आई हुई है, क्रेटा, बहुत ही गुड लुकिंग है।
हाँ, मैंने फाइनेंस करवाई है, अभी तक EMI कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ, अभी भी भर रही हूँ।
डोंट वरी, मेरे जो हस्बैंड है ना, उनके फ्रेंड बैंक मैनेजर है, तुम चाहो तो मैं उससे बात करो।
नो यार, मेरे हस्बैंड नहीं मानेंगे because already we have an EMI.
क्यों नहीं मानेंगे? अगर तुम फोर्स करोगी तो वो जरूर मानेंगे।
नो यार, कैसे मैनेज होगा?
क्यों नहीं मानेंगे? मैं फोर्स कर
बैंक
दूंगी
भी
ना।
नहीं देगी ना, EMI ऑलरेडी मेरा चल रहा है, फिर दूसरा लोन फिर
क्यों नहीं मानेंगे? अगर तुम चाहो तो मान सकते हैं। मैं चाहूंगी कि तुम वो कार लो, बहुत ही सुंदर वो कार है, क्रिएटा की है और तुम्हारे पर्सनालिटी के अनुसार वो बहुत सूट करेगी।
बैंक फाइनेंस करेगी जब तक मैं EMI कंप्लीट नहीं करती हूँ अपने पिछले कार का।
तो कोई बात नहीं, मैं अपने हस्बैंड से बात करके रखती हूँ।
तुम्हारे हस्बैंड बैंक में क्या?
नहीं यार, मेरे हस्बैंड के फ्रेंड बैंक में है।
अच्छा, तो वो हेल्प करेंगे?
हाँ बिल्कुल, क्यों नहीं करेंगे?
और कभी EMI जैसे मतलब कम अमाउंट में हो
तो मेरे हस्बैंड उसको देख लेंगे, वो बात कर लेंगे अपने फ्रेंड से।
यार, लेकिन मुझे लगता नहीं कि मेरे हस्बैंड मानेंगे।
क्या बात करती है? वैसे भी घर को संभालने वाली महिलाएं होती है और तुम बोलो तो वो तुम्हारे हस्बैंड जरूर मानेंगे।
यस ऑफ कोर्स, लेकिन अर्न तो हस्बैंड ही करते हैं। मैं क्या करूं, मुझे मन भी हो रहा है और
मैं चाह रही थी कि कब तक तुम 800 मारुति कार में घूमोगी। मैं चाहती हूँ तुम एक बड़े कार में घूमो।
यस यार, मुझे भी लगता है कि कुछ अच्छे कार में ये
और
अच्छी
मैं-
लगती गाड़ी।
और वैसे भी बच्चे अच्छे स्कूल में पढ़ ही रहे हैं और अच्छे स्कूल में पढ़ने के लिए बच्चों को ले जाने आने के लिए कार तो एक होनी चाहिए।
यस यार, तुम तो सही बोल रही हो, कार भी अच्छी होनी चाहिए और
अच्छा।
भी होना चाहिए।
एक बार तुम एक बात करके देखना अपने हस्बैंड से।
ओके, मैं बात करूंगी।
ओके यार, चाय मैं पी ली हूँ और मैं चलती हूँ, तुम अपने हस्बैंड से बात कर लेना।
आई फॉरगॉटन, मैं भूल गई बात करने के चक्कर में तुम्हें चाय पिलाना। थोड़ी देर रुको, मैं पिलाती हूँ अब तुमको चाय।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, फिर कभी, अब तो आना जाना लगा हुआ रहेगा। ओके बाय।
ओके, बाय। सही तो बोल रही थी। ओके, एक्चुअली मैं क्या बोल रही थी ना आपसे कि मेरी ना फ्रेंड आई थी, वो बता रही थी कि एक मतलब अच्छी गाड़ी कुछ क्रेटा करके कोई है, उसके लिए बता रही थी कि हम लोग ले सकते हैं। अच्छा, उसके हस्बैंड के दोस्त है बैंक मैनेजर, तो वो लोग फाइनेंस करवा सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ।
नहीं, अभी नहीं। अभी देखो, हमारा पिछले कार का EMI खत्म नहीं हुआ, बच्चे का फी भरना होता है, रेंट भरना है, इतने सारे लोड्स हैं। नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। अरे तो क्लोजिंग का
Yeah, you are not getting what am I trying to say. I'm not saying for my personal thing, personal my clothes and shopping and beauty. I'm saying that thing that is necessary for our family. No, it is very necessary for maintain our status in society.
You are telling about necessity, but we have already a car. What we will do
Yes,
with the
but
new
that
one?
is old version now. So I want to make some
No,
status
no.
in society.
Forget about your status. We have our old car. We
You
will
are
manage
not
it.
getting, please. It is not for me only, na. It is for every person of our family. It is very necessary for high status in society. And society, everybody is going in luxurious car, and we are going in auto. Get it? I feel embarrassment.
But we cannot manage. I don't think we will be able to manage our budget. That's why I'm refusing to buy right now. We will buy it next year.
I am feeling just like a very poor person with you in my family.
Okay, do whatever you want. Do.
No, it is not for me only, na. You will
Okay.
also enjoy that. Your status is also depending on our status of our family.
Okay. I agree right now. Okay.
No, don't say like this. That is mine only. It is my concern only. That type of things don't say.
Okay, we will buy it. Okay. We will manage somehow.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. So
talk to your friends, then we will have a new car.
Should I make a call now?
Okay.
Hello? Hello?
Sir, ma'am.
Hello?
हाँ हेलो हाय रेशम हाउ आर यू
Hi, Bhupen, how are you?
आई एम वेरी गुड
What is going?
नो नथिंग मैम सो मैम आपने क्या बात कर लिया
यार मैंने बात करी, मान तो नहीं रहे थे, लेकिन मैंने मनाया, मैंने बोला और मैं समझाया, because it is not wrong decision ना, so I could make them understand, I could make my husband understand that, and he is agree now.
ओके वेरी गुड तो मैं अपने हस्बैंड के फ्रेंड से बात कर लेती हूँ कुछ ही दिनों में तुम्हारे पास एक नई कार आ जाएगी और तुम नई कार में तुम्हारी जो पर्सनालिटी है बहुत ही डेवलप हो जाएगी ठीक है
ओके ओके, कोई डेट दो जिसमें हम लोग आ पाए लेने के लिए.
ओके तुम कल ही चले आओ
Okay, we will come. So we come. Thank you very much, my friend, my dear friend. Thank you very much.
थैंक यू मैम
Okay, we are coming. Listen, I talked to my friend.
Okay, are you happy now that you have got a new car?
Yes. Very happy.
Okay. But what about our EMIs? I am getting calls from 4 EMIs. I have not been able to pay it, and I am getting calls from my kids' school also to pay the fee. How I would manage?
Don't take tension. It is manageable. My friend said his husband is friend of the manager of bank, and he will manage all the things. So it will be easily managed.
But I am getting calls from a school that we have to submit the fee right now. Otherwise, they will not be allowed in the school. And I am also getting fee. I am also getting the call from bank for submitting, for depositing the EMIs. How we would manage?
No, don't think too much. No, we will do more thing for earn the money, and we will manage it. So please, let's
It has created completely just mismanagement of my budget completely.
No, I want to buy. You had said earlier that we will going to buy. So let's go. My friend said come today. Let's go to showroom. We will see the car. Finance.
कार तो मिल गई ना.
Okay. Car is very nice. अच्छा. Principal of the school, he called me and he said to me that submit all the fee, otherwise your child will stay out of class.
हेलो
Hello?
कैन आई स्पीक रेशम बाला
Yes. Yes, speaking.
यस मैम आपके जो बच्चे हैं वो इंटरनेशनल चिल्ड्रन स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
ओके स्कूल की ड्यूज है
हाँ मैम एक्चुअली हम लोगों ने कुछ खरीद लिया था, इसकी वजह से हमें थोड़ी EMI की ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, और सॉरी मैम, बट प्लीज़ मेरे बच्चे को बाहर खड़ा मत कीजिएगा.
नो मैम ये तो स्कूल के रूल हैं वो तो आपको फी भरने ही होंगे
मैम प्लीज़ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड मैम, इट इज़ माई प्रॉब्लम, बट प्लीज़ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड.
ओके मैं आपको एक 1 मंथ का टाइम देती हूँ आप जल्द से जल्द फी को सबमिट कर दीजिएगा
ओके मैम, थैंक यू वेरी मच. Listen again, ma'am had called us, and he is saying for fees.
See, I have told you now that we will we will not be able to manage. We are getting out of budget right now.
So what can I do? It is not for me only, no.
So I will have to ask my friends. I will have to borrow money.
I think you have to manage. What can I do?
Because of you, we are getting just disastrous result.
No, I cannot do anything. What can I do? We have to manage, no. So please try to manage.
How can I alone manage? This is the time of closing and
No, I manage all the things. I work in whole day. You have to manage, no? It's your work.
this is completely disastrous.
It is, no, I don't know anything. You should manage.
So we have seen how disastrous can mismanagement happen when we do not plan the things according to our plan, according to our budget. So actually what happens in our life that this is human psychology, that we see the things that is not with us and we ignore the thing what is with us. एक प्रसिद्ध शायर ने भी कहा है, दुनिया जिसे कहते हैं जादू का खिलौना है, दुनिया जिसे कहते हैं जादू का खिलौना है, जो मिल गया सो माटी है, जो ना मिला वो सोना है। सो हम लोग उन चीजों पे जो गौर करते, जो हमारे पास होता है उसे हम मिट्टी समझते हैं, हम लोग उस पर ध्यान नहीं देते, और जो नहीं मिलता उस पर ज्यादा ध्यान देते हैं, एंड दैट greed leads us to disastrous result. So we should be content to be happy in our domestic life, and these things should be applied with the students and in our regular practical life. So it is also said that जो आपको पर्याप्त है, सॉरी जो आपको प्राप्त है वही पर्याप्त है, और जो आपके पास है उसी में आप खुश रहिए। थैंक यू।
Through this activity, we have learned what causes stress in a family, and this is not a problem of one. It is at the starting we have known it is the problem of 65%, more than 65% of the Indian families. So not only the caste, there are so many reasons, different reasons for it. So stress increases the chance of not only this so short causes, stress can increase and chances of heart attack, stress induced cardiac problems, and less efforts. 25% of all employees in many sectors, many different sectors, are suffering with these problems. And next, for stress, we are going to learn what is healthy and well-being. A person which is completely physically, mentally fit, but if he is in stress, he cannot manage everything. He will suffer with lots of problems in life and lots of irritation. He will not enjoy the life. Only he will take stress and he will realize to manage how to manage it. He will suffer. So, from starting, the topic is stress management. We'll see how to manage the stress in kids' age through a video.
Hi friends, are you?
You're having trouble managing stress? Today you will learn about 9 stress management techniques to help you keep your stress under control. Everyone has stress. Stress is a common feeling you get when you feel under pressure, overwhelmed, or unable to manage the demands of everyday life. Small amounts of stress can be good and can motivate you to achieve your goals, but too much stress can cause problems to your mood, physical health, and relationships with others. There are many causes of stress for kids, such as school rules and expectations, problems with friends, family conflict, or big changes in your life. The following are 9 helpful stress management techniques. Some of these techniques can be used as daily habits to help keep your stress from rising too high, and other techniques can be used as in-the-moment coping skills to help you stay cool and calm when going through a stressful event. Number 1, get out in nature. Studies have shown that spending time in nature helps to reduce stress and anxiety and improve your mood. Simple nature activities include going for a walk, sitting under a tree, bird watching, gardening, stargazing, or taking pictures of plants, trees, or flowers. Number 2, start your day on a positive note. In order to avoid stress at the beginning of your day, start your day with positive activities. Sometimes getting on screens or social media first thing in the morning can actually increase your stress. Instead, do positive activities, such as exercise, listening to uplifting music, organize your bedroom or backpack, review your goals for the day, or eat a healthy breakfast. Number 3, get good sleep. Lack of sleep can lead to higher levels of stress, frustration, and anxiety. Caffeine can disrupt your sleep and contribute to higher levels of stress, so it can be helpful to avoid too much caffeine. Other tips to help you get good sleep might include: be more active during the day, stick to the same sleep schedule each night, do relaxation exercises at bedtime, or turn off your electronic devices at least 30 minutes before you sleep. Number 4, movement. Studies have shown that kids who exercise have lower levels of stress. Movement helps to increase mood-boosting chemicals that reduce stress hormones in your body. You can incorporate movement into your day by doing activities such as organizing your room, going for a jog, playing with your pet, swimming, dancing, or bodyweight exercises in your bedroom, such as push-ups or sit-ups. Number 5, release physical tension. When you experience stress, your muscles often get tight and tense. If you release this physical tension from your muscles, then it can help your brain and body feel calmer and more relaxed. Tension-relieving activities include stretching, tensing and relaxing your muscles, massaging your neck or shoulders, taking a warm bath, or doing yoga. Number 6, positive mindset. Maintaining a positive and hopeful mindset can help you better cope with stress. Sometimes when you're going through a stressful moment, negative thoughts automatically pop in your head. Practice replacing your automatic negative thoughts with more helpful responses, such as, I am strong, I can handle this. Time out, I'm taking a walk. Or, something good will come from this. Another helpful way to keep a positive mindset is by taking a moment to pause and think about things you are grateful for. Number 7, get organized. Disorganization, a cluttered space, and poor time management are often linked to higher levels of stress and anxiety. Ways to get organized include keeping your bedroom and workspace tidy and clean, staying organized throughout the day by using a daily to-do list, writing out daily tasks or goals in a journal, or using a daily planner. You can better manage your time by setting alarms or daily reminders, or writing down reminders on a wall calendar. Number 8, relaxation coping skills. Relaxation coping skills are excellent techniques to help you reset your brain during stressful moments. This might include activities such as stopping and taking 10 deep belly breaths, closing your eyes and imagining a peaceful place, taking a nap, or taking a break from technology or social media. One quick and easy relaxation skill is a 3-minute mindful meditation. You can do this by slowing yourself down, breathing deeply, and noticing one or more of your 5 senses. Number 9, help others. Studies have shown that kindness and helping others can help you manage stress. Helping others can include small acts of kindness, such as giving someone a compliment, holding the door open for someone, helping someone in need, or cleaning up around your home or school without being asked. If managing stress seems hard, then start small by taking 3 to 5 minutes each day to practice one or more of the stress management techniques taught in this video. If your stress is overwhelming and nothing seems to help you feel better, don't be afraid to ask for help by reaching out to a parent, teacher, school counselor, or therapist. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. For more social, emotional, and mental health resources for kids and teens, www.mentalhealthcenterkids.com. Thanks for watching!
So we have seen in this video how to reduce our stress in different ages and by different sources, different means. Now, what are the sources of stress? In everyone's life, there are different sources of stress. Some people causes stress due to different of sources. In this PPT, I will show stress in school, in workplace, family, relationship, legal, finance, health, illness, environmental, and as well as living situations. So these are the main sources of stress in everyone's life. Too much change too quickly can be a cause of stress. In activities, we have already seen the same situation, too much changes too quickly. They have shown their changes quickly. So can be causes of stress. Stress can be caused by pleasant and unpleasant events also. The cause of stress may not always be apparent. Usually, stress is a result of build-up of related and unrelated events also. Sometimes we also take stress to show off ourselves, what we do not deserve, and that to show off more than that we cause stress ourselves. So often our stress is more apparent to others than to us. Reactions, we also see the reactions to stress can be emotional, physical and behavioral. So there are so many sources of stresses. Stresses also be of different types, like work overload, economical problems, in students' age, results, homework completions, and so many different types of stresses we take in our life. So now I will invite Pramod sir to tell you one story related to this topic in short.
नीचे यहीं पर
5 से 7 यही है 5 से 7
अभी आप लोगों ने देखा एक फैमिली का स्ट्रेस का रीजन मेनली क्या है? तो wants are unlimited but supply are limited. Always इस लाइन को फॉलो करना चाहिए. There are mainly 3 types of wants: necessary wants, comfortable wants, and luxurious wants. तो luxurious wants and comfortable wants की ओर ध्यान नहीं देना चाहिए. necessary wants की ओर ऑलवेज ध्यान देना चाहिए. जो फैमिली नेसेसरी वांट्स की ओर ऑलवेज फोकस करता है वह किस स्ट्रेस में नहीं पड़ता है. उसके जीवन में किसी प्रकार का कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं होगा. कभी भी लग्जरियस वांट्स की ओर ध्यान नहीं देना चाहिए. और इसके साथ साथ एक छोटी सी कहानी भी मैं बताना चाहता हूं. 4 मित्र थे. कौन कौन? तो एक सियार, एक बंदर, एक ऊँट बिलाल और एक खरगोश. 4 मित्र थे, चारों ने एक बार योजना बनाई। ये चारों गंगा के किनारे रहते थे। गंगा पवित्र नदी है, जल भी पवित्र है, लेकिन इनके विचार भी देखिए कैसे पवित्र उत्पन्न होता है। इन चारों ने सोचा कि हम लोग सबसे बड़ा दानी इस धरती का बने। यह विचार मन में आया। चारों कहा कि ठीक है भाई, चलो। चारों निकल गए कि आज हम लोग ऐसे चीजों का खोज कर लाएं अपने अपने स्तर से और उसको दान करें, जिससे हमारा नाम इस धरती पर, इस दुनिया में अमर हो जाए। सियार गया तो वह एक दही का हांडी लाया। लगता है कि मकर संक्रांति नजदीक होगा, उसको याद आ गया, दही का हांडी लाया, लेकिन कुछ अपना उसका गुण भी था। एक मांस का टुकड़ा भी लाया साथ। बंदर आया तो वह एक आम का फल का गुच्छा लाया। उस बिलाद आया तो वह गंगा से 7 रंग की मछलियां लाया। अब बचा खरगोश प्योर वेजिटेरियन, घास पात खाने वाला। वह सोचा कि मैं घास लेकर के जाऊंगा तो यह घास का दान तो महादान की श्रेणी में नहीं आता है। सोचकर वह तनाव में आ गया, उसके अंदर स्ट्रेस पैदा हो गया। उन्होंने यहां तक सोच लिया कि मैं घास लेकर के नहीं जाऊंगा, मैं स्वयं अपने आप को दान कर दूंगा। यह संकल्प लेकर वह भी पहुंच गया। तीनों साथी पूछे कि तुमने क्या लाया भाई? उसने कहा कि मैं तो कुछ नहीं लाया। सब हंसने लगे, कहे कि तो कैसे क्या दान करोगे? तो कहा कि मैं स्वयं को दान कर दूंगा, मैं अब जीना नहीं चाहता। सात्विक विचार का था। इसके बाद इंद्र भगवान एक साधु के वेश में वहां उपस्थित हुए। कहे कि तुम लोग कुछ दान करो। कहा कि ठीक है, उपयुक्त व्यक्ति आ गया है, उपयुक्त समय आ गया है। सभी अपने अपने सामान को दान कर दिए। अब बारी आई खरगोश का। उन्होंने पूछा कि तुम क्या दान करोगे? कहा कि मैं तो अपने आप को दान कर दूंगा। कहा कि तुम मरने तक तैयार हो? तो कहा कि हाँ। वह साधु साक्षात इंद्र थे, अपनी कृपा से अग्नि उत्पन्न की और बोले कि तुम इस अग्नि कुंड में बैठ जाओ। उसने हंसते हुए बैठ गया अग्नि कुंड में। इंद्र वहीं उपस्थित थे ही। वो कहे कि निकलो, मैं तो तुम्हारी परीक्षा ले रहा था। यह तो मैं मायावी अग्नि उत्पन्न किया था, इसलिए तुम्हारा ही दान जो स्वयं को अपने आप को न्यौछावर कर दिया, जबकि वह स्ट्रेस में था, तनाव में था, लेकिन उसकी व्यथा ऊपर वाले ने सुन ली। कहा कि ठीक है, तुम्हारा सर्वोच्च स्थान रहेगा और तुम्हारा स्थान चंद्रमा पर रहेगा। इंद्र ने चंद्रमा पर गया, एक पर्वत को मसल कर खरगोश का रूप उसमें डाल दिया। आज भी चंद्रमा में हम लोग जो छाया देखते हैं, वह छाया कोई दूसरा नहीं, यह खरगोश का छाया है। उसका स्थान सर्वोच्च हो गया। इसलिए कभी भी किसी मित्र के कहे में कोई काम हम लोगों को अपने लाइफ में नहीं करना चाहिए। मित्र ऑलवेज, हमेशा वो स्ट्रेस ही उत्पन्न करते हैं। इसलिए स्व विवेक से और अपने कैपेसिटी के अनुसार काम करना चाहिए। नहीं तो आज तो देख रहे हैं घर परिवार उजड़ते देर नहीं लगते हैं, क्योंकि यह घर परिवार एक सामाजिक समझौते के तहत कार्य करता है। यदि हम लोग आपस में सहमति समझौते नहीं रखेंगे तो आज हमारा परिवार हो, आपका हो, किसी का भी हो, उजड़ते देर नहीं लगेगा। इसलिए नेसेसरी वांट्स को हमेशा याद रखें। धन्यवाद।
Now, we are going to end this program with some more PPTs and activities like now we are going to see negative effects of stress. What are the negative effects of stress? If we are talking about the physical, if we will take stress in physical loss, we will weight or lose gains. Both the cases happens. Next, unexpected hair loss, heart palpitations, high blood pressures. These physical harms we can see in the negative effects of stress. If we talk about the emotional, there will be mood swings. Mood swings. Whenever we want to concentrate in any work, we will see the mood changes. We will not able to concentrate on the work. Anxiety can lead to depression also. Many times, many people suffer with these problems, and we can also lead to unhealthy coping strategy, like we make habits of alcohol, drugs, etc. to make ourselves free from stress. So these are not good for our health also. So at last, we will see how we can manage the stress ourselves. So stress relief strategies are: number one, body relaxations exercises, like there are so many breathing techniques, guided imagery, physical exercises like so many yoga activities, workout routines, meditation. Meditation is also very good way to reduce our stress, and so many counselings can we see also, like talk therapy, life coachings, and so many motivational videos to be stress free. So there are two ways to see this. One, I will show the videos like some yoga tips to be free from the stress, and after that I will invite our PT teacher Jayam to show some steps of yoga to be stress free after the video.
Hi, you're watching Yoga with AJ, and today we're going to do a few poses, very simple movements as well, to help you release anxiety or stress. So rest your hands however you like. Take a nice deep breath into the nose and exhale through the mouth. Let's do that 3 more times. If you feel like, close your eyes or breathe. Inhale through the nose. Two more times. Pause for a moment, bring your awareness to your neck, and we're going to make small half circles with the neck. So just moving the chin towards your shoulder, right or left, and which side you want to start from. And then go to the other side. gently moving. And as you do that, try and remember what helps you to relax. For some people, it's lying down in a nice, comfortable bed. For other people, it's being in nature, some relaxing music or friends. Then come back to the center with your head. Place one hand on your heart, the other on your stomach, and just allow yourself to breathe. Focusing on your breath. And then closing your eyes, imagine a place where you feel relaxed. Continue to breathe nicely. It could be a place in your imagination, an imaginary place. Or it could be a place you've been to before. It could even be your room, where you feel very, very good. And slowly relaxing your arms, taking them out to the sides, and we're going to curl the fingers in. So you bring all the fingers in towards the pads. So where the finger starts, the pad, you draw each finger in and gently press down. You take thumbs up as if you're asking for a ride on a highway. And we're just going to take the thumbs back, as far back as you can without straining the shoulders, and then back again the other way. So back and back. You're releasing tension from the shoulders as we do this. Continue to breathe just slowly. Maybe just 3 or 4 more times. And slowly relax. Opening up your hands as if you're throwing water from your fingers. Sending energy out from your hands. Relaxing the hands. Sometimes when we are tense, we tend to move the hands into fists and we want to relax. Moving the fingers out as if you're throwing water from them. And just take a quick shoulder move. Inhale. Exhale. We do 2 more. Okay? Inhale again. Exhale and relax. I hope this video is helpful to you. Stay connected to yourself and remember to stay balanced.
So, we have seen so many yoga activities in this video to reduce stress. So now I will invite our PT teacher to show very short, with only 2 to 3 steps within 2 to 3 minutes.
Thank you, sir, for calling me here to show some yoga to cure yourself from anxiety and stress. We all are in stress every time, anytime. Purity is in our hand. If we can't do exercise or other things, then you can do yoga for yourself. I have to show you some yogasana and how to we perform that. Please.
सबसे पहले तो स्ट्रेस से बचने के लिए स्ट्रेस हम लोगों का फिजिकल भी हो सकता है और मेंटल, इंटेलेक्चुअल। तो सबसे पहले तो आप किसी तरह का हल्का फुल्का स्ट्रेस बॉडी स्ट्रेस कर लें, जैसे ये हो गया। इस तरह से ना झुक पाए तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। अगर आप स्ट्रेस में हैं तो योगा के बताने से पहले मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि अगर आप फुल स्ट्रेस में हैं तो आप चले जाइए छत पे, टेरेस पे चले जाइए, वहाँ चुपचाप खड़े हो जाइए और अपने ब्रीथ को कंट्रोल कीजिए, ठीक है। सीधे खड़े हो जाइए, आंखें बंद मत कीजिए, आंखें खोल कर रखिए और अपने हाथ को यहाँ रखिए, पैर को थोड़ा सा फैला लीजिए और बस पूरा ब्रीथ को इनहेल कीजिए। थोड़ी देर में देखिएगा आपका स्ट्रेस डाउन हो रहा है। रही बात योगा के आसन की, तो if you are capable then you should do daily routine, in your daily routine सूर्य नमस्कार। मैं वो पूरा आपको बताने नहीं वाली हूँ, आप सर्च करके देख लीजिएगा। सूर्य नमस्कार ये आपका फुल बॉडी एक्सरसाइज है। स्ट्रेस चाहे कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, किसी भी तरह का, मेंटल हो, फिजिकल हो, कोई भी होता है प्रॉब्लम, वो सारा आपका क्योर हो जाएगा। और कुछ हल्के आसन बता रही हूँ। सबसे पहले आप, अगर आप पीछे बैठ सकते हैं तो उसके लिए आराम से बैठ जाइए। उसके बाद फिर सांस भर के टेक लॉन्ग ब्रीथ, इनहेल देन एक्सहेल। Duration in this yoga pose, this yoga pose is called Shashakasana, the rabbit pose। इस पर आप अगर आप ये अपना सर, ललाट, जो मस्तक है, अगर आप नहीं इस पे टच कर पा रहे हैं तो नो प्रॉब्लम, देन यू डू दिस टाइप, दिस पोज एंड डू दिस लाइक दिस। अभी ब्रीथ को यहाँ पे होल्ड करके रखिएगा। उसके बाद फिर जब यहाँ से उठिएगा तो stay here few seconds, then do this yoga 4 or 5 times. This is Shashakasana. The second pose is Balasana. Balasana. Balasana, the yoga pose is like Shashakasana. आप हाथ को इस तरह से उठाइएगा, ब्रीथ को लीजिएगा, पीछे रखिएगा, देन बालासना। लास्ट एंड बट नॉट लीस्ट, सारा कुछ तो एक्सरसाइज योगा ये सब सिक्योरिटी है फॉर आवर स्ट्रेस एंजाइटी, ठीक है। और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है, मैं बताना चाह रही हूँ कि एक वाकया हो गया कि बिहार शिक्षा रिक्रूटमेंट में एक बच्चे ने पास कर ली है ना, वो बन गया टीचर। वो पूरे दौड़ कर आया अपनी मम्मी के पास में और आकर बोलता है कि एम आई हमरा होएगा टीचर में, हम टीचर बन गए। उसकी माँ बोलती है कि अरे बेटा ये तो बड़ी खुशी की बात हो, तो टीचर बन गए। हम टीचर बन गए, हम बहुत जिम्मेदार टीचर, बहुत जिम्मेदार। उसकी माँ बोलती है हाँ बेटा ये तो बहुत बेस्ट। कैसे? माँ कुछ स्कूल में हो ना, कुछ प्रॉब्लम है ना, सब हमरा बोलो कौन जिम्मेदार। तो बच्चा, वो लड़का बोलता है कि उसके साथ एक घटना हुई। वो लड़का आ रहा था जब माँ को बताने के लिए, तो पीछे से एक साइकिल वाला आ रहा था। आया साइकिल वाला, मारा चैप इसलिए मैं साइकिल लेकर आया हूँ। दूसरे दिन तो मैं ट्रक चलाता हूँ। थैंक यू। ये सबसे पहले
So we have seen through the some videos and through the yoga activities, so many tips, so many activities through which we can reduce our stress. So some other helpful tips we can see: changing perceptions and expectation, break jobs, tasks into manageable parts, set reasonable, realistic goals, avoid procrastination, set boundaries, don't compromise your values, beliefs, and schedule me time, avoid caffeine. So these are other helpful tips. So we are going to end this session with lastly with the benefits of stress management. As we know, by reducing the stress, if we are able to manage the stress, we will get benefits in our physical health. We will get more energy and stamina to work. Emotions will be stabilized. Positive attitudes will come in our day-to-day life, and hopeful, happier life will run. We will be able to focus on our work, improve, and able to learn and achieve our goals. So, at last, only one feedback I want to take from the teachers.
I could retain from your training, sir, that very first you showed us how does stress build. Second, you showed us that what was cause of it, and last but not the least, it was how to get rid of it. So it is very complete session. So we have retained a lot of things. Thank you very much.
Thank you, everyone.